pjesmama i pjesmama. Ljubav jača od vina, prati nas ko sudbina, ko najljepša čarolija. Ti i ja smo južnjaci, po srcu pravi zemljaci, po zvijezdama i pjesmama. Ljubav jača od vina, prati nas ko sudbina, ko najljepša čarolija. Kad se gosti opraštaju, nada, ulice kad utonu u san.
Dom u planini, glas iz tame, grom u daljini.
Nada, kad je kasni film pri kraju, nada, kad se gosti opraštaju, nada, ulice kad utonu u san. Neću. 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 Neću.
Dobro, nema, mora biti normalan ton.
Uvijek kažeš mi, malo smo sami.
reci, javit ću.
Vjetri hladni s Dunava,
Znam do tebe, okej.
Jebem ga ko on prigovori.
There's a girl called Misha. It's a Misho. Misho, yeah.
Može, kamere idu.
Yeah, so Steve, it's such a pleasure to have you here after this session. You know, your professionalism and you know, the beauty of the soul is radiating now.
Very kind
So
of you.
we'd like to ask you about the how did you react first time when you were asked to do arrangement about this song? Ostala si uvijek ista from Misho Kovač. What did it strike you with? You know, what kind of impulses it got you to?
Well, I realise how important the project is to Creation Records and that Misho is a national treasure. And it's a very beautiful song. And I like to think, you know, I was honoured that I was trusted with trying to reimagine it in a way. I think it translates as "You always remain the same." And yeah, I really enjoyed it. And watching the old video has kind of made you smile. So I'm really kind of excited. And of course, the magic of AI, which we were just talking about off camera, and managing to capture Misho's voice and emotion. So hopefully I've done it justice.
Okay.